So, super exciting day. New VIP, big reveal. PAI's going a different direction this time. Let's go see who it is. It's the WFMS legend, Kevin Freeman.
Hey, Darren, how you doing?
Good, man. We're going country.
We are going country.
Wow, it's exciting.
You can't do country radio without a cowboy hat. And it looks good with the outfit.
Well, thank you, sir.
Perfect.
Let's just see how we go here.
Oh,
wow, look at that.
Paid for him.
Wow. This guy, country radio legend here in Indy, 28 years. So, really excited. Let's hear about Kevin.
I'm thinning, and I'm kind of self-conscious about that. I'm short, so people are always taller than me, and they may not be looking at the crown of my head, but I think they are. I heard from the television commercials that you're the folks who grow hair, and I thought, let's talk to the experts. And I found out that I'm a perfect candidate for this. So why not have my hair back, right? Because I've met with the folks at PAI a couple of times already, I know exactly what's going to happen. They walked me through every step possible, and it made me feel very, very comfortable. I'm a DJ, I ask a lot of questions. When I left with the procedure booked, I felt very confident that I was at the right place. I've been doing this for 28 years. I live in Indianapolis, and so I've heard about PAI. I know what they do. I thought it was important that I find out if the ads are really true, and I found out on my very first visit that what they said in their website and in the TV commercials was accurate. They are exactly what they said they were. So there was no other choice but to go with PAI. So I'm having multi-unit hair grafting. And as I understand it, that's the best procedure for what my thinning hair is all about. The professionals there determined that that was the best thing for me. I'll have new hair planted from other parts of my scalp, and over a period of 4 to 6 months, I will start seeing a dramatic difference. I was telling my coworkers I was having this done, and they were all excited because they thought Monday morning I would look totally different. And you know, it's a slow process because we're growing the hair again. Multi-unit hair grafting is trademarked with PAI. This is the only place you can go to get this. The advantages to this is that it's one procedure. I don't have to go to multiple procedures. One-time visit with them, and after about 4 months, I'll be seeing a dramatic difference. The level of technology PAI offers is the latest and best technology. They even have robots that will actually help you with this process. Now, I'm not having that done, but other people can. And that's another great thing about it is I went into PAI. I had multiple choices, but they looked at my hair and they determined which process was best for me, and they led me down the right path. So I've been on the radio for about 20 plus years, and do I really need more hair? Yeah, I do. I mean, why not? If the opportunity, the technology is out there, and they're right here in town, why not take advantage of that opportunity? Hoping for my hair back. The self-esteem issue that I have when I stand under someone that looks at my bald spot, I think that will go away. So I'm hoping to have my hair back. And I know I will. The PAI is great. We were talking about my problem, but my sister also has hair loss, and when she heard that I was going to be doing this, she immediately said, can I talk to them? That's a great thing about PAI. We Grow Hair Indy. Their sister company is Transitions, and they specialize in all the problems that women may have as well. So why am I doing commercials for PAI? Well, number one, they're going to solve my problem. And number two, I believe in the product. I've been asked over the 28 years I've been with WFMS to do many commercials, but I've turned down a lot because I didn't want to lend my voice to a company that I did not believe in. I believe in PAI.
Guys, we're really excited. I mean, multi-unit hair grafting, May the 19th, so taking the hair from the back, moving it to the top.
The only question I can't get an answer from you, and you're an honest man, can you make me taller?
Well, if we get enough hair up there, we can add a little height, but there's only so much we can do.
All right, great.
Guys, can't wait. A lot of fun. VIP page at wegrowhairindy.com. Really, really excited. Thank you, guys. Looking forward to it. Kev, it's going to be great.
Wonderful.
Thank you.
For a free evaluation, call PAI at 888-724-5129 or go to wegrowhairindy.com.